Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to add fade between clips in Kdenlive. So if you want to add a fade between two clips on Kdenlive, this is how you do it. So first you need to have two clips on your timeline, and once you have it on your timeline you just need to click on the edge of the clip. You'll see this round button. Just click on it and it will have a transition effect. And on the other click, you just need to click the round button as well, and it will also have the same transition. So you just select this wipe method, non dissolve. So now if we are going to play this clip, it will going to have that fade effect between the two clips. There you go. And that's how you add fade between clips on Kdenlive. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.